Welcome to Financial Hub. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how to create XE money transfer account. For that, firstly, make sure you get the application on your device. Now, firstly, here you need to select the country and your language. Here you can see various options. Likewise, you can also choose your language. After that, all you need to do is tap on continue. Now here you will be led to this kind of page, and at the top left you can see profile icon. Tap over there. Now at the bottom you can see the option sign in. You can simply tap over there. Now if you have your account, then you can simply enter your credentials and log in. But if you haven't created yourself account, then you need to tap on the option register. Now firstly here you need to enter your email. After that you need to create yourself a password. Make sure password must contain at least 8 characters, 1 capital letter, 1 lowercase letter and 1 number or symbol. Now there you can see the option I agree to XE's terms and condition. You need to simply check on that box. After that, all you need to do is tap on continue. Now a verification code will be sent to your email. Make sure to go and check it. Now here you can see the verification code. You can memorize it. Now enter the code over here. And now you can see that your XE money transfer account has been created. Now you can see the currency exchange rates and you can also transfer your money. And this is how you can create your XE money transfer account. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel Financial Hub. Thank you.